Good morning. This is Joseph Vassar with the February 9th, 2026 CattleFax Opening Bell. This week's opening bell is brought to you by the Red Angus Association of America. Ranch tested, rancher trusted. Last week's Fed cattle cash trade saw moderate volume in the north and moderate to active volume in the south. The north traded at 238 to 244 live and 378 dressed, which was steady to $4 higher live and steady dressed compared to the previous week's prices. The south traded fed cattle at 242 to 245 live, with prices going $2 to $5 higher than the previous week. Live cattle futures posted firmer moves on Friday following higher cash prices. This came one day after a notably softer futures market on Thursday of last week. Live cattle futures have started today in the green. Estimated packer margins are projected to be back near a $200 per head loss this week as leverage remains in favor of the cattle feeder and cattle prices remain firm. Show-us in the north, Kansas, and Panhandle regions are all mostly flat this week. Fed cattle cash prices are called steady to slightly firmer. The spot composite cutout increased 65 cents a hundredweight last week to go to $3.68 per hundredweight. The cutout seasonally rallies coming out of February. However, demand is slightly below year-ago levels and seasonally softens this time of year. A steady cutout is the expectation for this week. The USDA WASDE report is scheduled to be published tomorrow, February 10th. No major changes are expected, and industry survey expectations are that ending stocks will increase by 30 billion bushels. Thanks for watching, and have a great week.